everybody, this is Fanteco 104. Right here you see the Samsung HMX QF20 camcorder. And this is the camera I've been filming with for the past 6 years. Unfortunately, it's starting to die out. It died out a couple of times on me before. So I think it's time for an upgrade. And here we have the upgrade. Behold, the Canon Vixia R800 camcorder. This was a present I got from my grandmother for my high school graduation. So hopefully this camera will bring lots of good videos to Fanteco 104 in the future. So today we're going to unbox it. So here we go. Before I begin, I don't really do unboxing videos unless it's like, you know, camera upgrades just to show you guys what camera I'm going to be using. So, but I figured I'd make one for you anyway. Yeah, I know unboxing videos can be pointless, but personally I really enjoy the ones with cameras, even just in general on YouTube as well. So anyways, here we go. We're going to carefully open the box in case something goes wrong. I don't want to, you know, break the box. I finally got this to come out, so let's open it and see what we got inside. Thank you. So we've got basically the camera license and the manual. Inside the box is all red. Red's my favorite color. Inside the box we have, get this open, there we go. USB cable. I guess a charging cable. Oh, this is the main power pack. This is the main charger. There you go. This is the main charger. Oh, I figured out what this is. This is an HDMI cable to connect to the computer. The battery. And I guess last but not least is the camcorder. Yep. Oh wow, look how nice this is. I guess this is where the battery goes, similar to the JVC and Vero. Looks like you press this on this camera, you actually press a button for it to come on. Alright, now we're gonna try booting this thing up. I don't know if this is gonna work right away because I don't know what the battery status is for this camera. So let's just get this in here and see if we can get this thing to start. I see the battery pops out like this. Alright, let's see if this thing turns on. I may have to charge it, but we'll find out in a second. Nope, it's turning on. Vixia. Oop, looks like I have to charge up this battery. Yeah, you know what? I do have to charge the battery. So, let's put this on a power source. Alright, I got this camera on a power source. Thankfully the power charger is nice and long on this camera. So I can get this camera to stay stable. We're gonna boot it up and see how it works. Here we go. Alright. So we're going to do English. Okay, oh, next. Today's date is July 2nd. Yep, I want it like that. Does it work? Wow, very quiet. A very responsive touchscreen. Time is currently 3:44 p.m. No, I don't want the 24-hour feature. I just want to see something. Yeah, no, I don't want that. There we go. Steps complete already. Nice and easy. Yep, that's it. And I guess I have to insert a memory card? Alright, so once this camera gets a little bit of battery power in it, I'll go out and do a test video on this. So, enjoy the video. Alright, we're going to test out this camera on the elevator at the Claremont Medical Building in Yorktown Heights. We're going to ride the Otis elevator. Going up. Let's go up to 2. Here we go. Button already went out. Let's go down to the lobby. There's the second floor. Door close button works. Lobby. Here's the door. There's your key switches. Alright. Now we'll go view out into the lake. Oh, it's this door. And here's the lake. It's beautiful, isn't it? And there's the building we were just in. So, that will be it. Hi everybody, this is Fantech104 here, and right here I've got the Samsung HMX QF20 camcorder. It's the camcorder I've been filming with for the last 6 years. I've shot a lot of great videos with this camcorder, but its days are over. What? Oh, now it turns on!